Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to yet another video, and today, as you can see by the title, this is the unboxing for the M1 Pro MacBook Pro 14-inch device. And man, guys, you don't understand how much this actually means to me. I've been saving up for a really long while. I've been wanting to actually get a new MacBook for like so many years now, but I just couldn't actually afford it. And I'm currently in the right state to actually get a new laptop and to afford something like this one. Really excited about this. And this video that you're seeing right now, this unboxing video, is gonna be edited on my MacBook Pro, which it's so exciting. You'll be able to finally watch me in 4K, which might be, you know, a little weird because you've always just watched me in 1080p, but it's going to be in 4K, 30 frames for now. Let me know how 30 frames is for you guys. If you prefer 60, let me know in the comment section down below. But this particular video will be edited on my MacBook Pro, so yeah, I'm really excited about this. But without further ado, let's get straight into this. Alright, so MacBook Pro 14-inch M1 Pro chip. I got the base specs, which is the M1 Pro chip, 16 gigs of RAM, 512, but I did upgrade that to 1 terabytes because I know I'm definitely going to need 1 terabytes when it comes to this. I'm going to be doing everything on here. I'm going to be doing my YouTube videos with Final Cut Pro. I'm going to be continuing my animation stuff as well, so hopefully maybe soon or one day soon you will see a couple of new graphics on my on my YouTube channel, as well as obviously on Twitter as well. I'm going to be doing special effects on here. I'm going to be doing everything on this one. And with the M1 Pro chip, I know that this is a very powerful processor. One that's been made by Apple themselves. And it's from everything that I've seen with this processor, it's really powerful. And a lot of people actually don't recommend getting a different spec if you aren't actually using it for like situations where you're not getting paid or anything, you know, because it is a lot of money. And obviously if you do need that power, then you get it. But in terms of something like what I'm doing right now, making stuff for myself and obviously YouTube as well, I'm not getting any sort of income for that. So there's not much point of actually spending so much money on a computer, if that makes sense. But yes, customize this with a 1 terabyte SSD. I've got all the programs that I need, such as Final Cut Pro, I got Motions, ProRes, we got the whole lot, all right? I am just really excited about this. But this is an unboxing video. Just to let you guys know, I'm not a tech whiz, okay? I am not a tech whiz, so if I do get anything wrong in this video, please let me know in the comment section down below. And also, don't take my word for gospel, okay? I'm just literally, you know, unboxing this video, showing you what the device looks like, couple of features on it as well, and Bob's your uncle. But just for you guys that may or may not know, this is the 8-core CPU with 14-core GPU. Like I said, 16 gigs of RAM, 1 terabytes of storage, and it's a 14.2-inch device. As you can see by the front, you do have the MacBook Pro. All right. Now this does come with the XDR display as well, so colors are going to be popping when you're editing. Everything's going to look nice, it's silky, it's smooth. Entertainment wise, everything's sharp, clean, it's really responsive. Yeah, I believe it also has the ProMotion feature on there as well, so whenever it can use a high frame rate, the computer will provide that for you. But I've read that a lot of people mostly notice it when they're scrolling and, you know, I'm using it for editing. You can see that the timeline is really smooth. But yeah, for you guys that already don't know, like I mentioned before, I'm using this purely for work reasons, not really for entertainment. I'll probably watch videos here and there, but this is mostly for work reasons, to do my animations, to do my YouTube, and any other graphical things I want to focus on as well. Hence why my name is ThatGuyJakey. I am that guy that does pretty much everything. So I want to continue with that. But on the back, literally basic stuff. It's just pure white with these SKUs and everything. We've got the Apple logo on the side, here and there. On the top, MacBook Pro. And then we also have this little lip, which we will open that up now. Take the plastic. Okay, the last time I got my MacBook, we actually opened it up in store, and the colleague or employee helped me to set it up, because you know, it's my first time with a such an expensive laptop. And that was like 12 years ago. So I was, how old was I? I was 17. Holy cow! You probably guys already know my age when I said that now. But yes, once the plastic is open, we can slide out the MacBook, which I'm going to do this on the table because, you know, I'm not trying to drop my first laptop, right? All right, so once we take that off, we've got the computer, which looks absolutely amazing. Oh man, okay. So this is the first thing you're going to be greeted with, an ice cold metal MacBook Pro. Okay, and we also have the little lip to lift up the computer, which I'm going to do this off camera. Whoa, damn. This looks so cool. All right, I'm going to put the computer to the side. The next things we're going to get in the box is the charging cable, which is all cable fabric now, threaded, which actually looks pretty cool, to be honest. So if we open this up, all right, so we have the cable here. It does have MagSafe on here now, which is actually really, really cool. So what is MagSafe? It's basically a magnetic charger. So that's actually pretty cool. Apparently they had stopped that for a long while, and now they just brought it back. I like that. I like that. This computer, Apple has really listened to the fans and listened to what we actually want to see in a MacBook Pro. And I feel like this is kind of like the ultimate laptop you can get right now from Apple. Who knows if they're gonna bring one out this year? I don't think so. They might probably bring one out next year, but let's see. But this is the cable, the charging cable. It's literally a MagSafe cable, MagSafe plug. All right, I don't know if you can see that. And then on the other end, it's a USB-C as well. So we can put the charger to the side. And then we also have some instructions here, which I'm not really going to go through this. I'm going to probably read this off camera. Then we also have the power plug, which is a nice and classic plug, as what you'd probably have seen already on a MacBook Pro. So yeah, that's the actual power piece, or power brick, sorry. And then we also have the UK head, a plug-in head. All right, so we're gonna put the chargers to the side. I don't think there's anything else in here because it feels extremely empty. Now it's time to actually see this absolute beast in person. You guys, you don't understand how excited I am about this. So this is the MacBook Pro, all right, all wrapped in sugar paper in a way. And then we're gonna kind of slip this out. If I just open it up. Oh, this is absolutely beautiful. Okay, so I got it in the space gray. Looks absolutely stunning. Holy cow. And then at the back we have the MacBook Pro logo with the stands here, which is actually really nice. Good to see the stands. On the left hand side, we're gonna have the MagSafe port, 2 USB-Cs and a headphone jack. All right, glad to see that Apple's not abandoning headphone jacks on their laptops. And then we have one HDMI, one USB-C, and then one SD card reader, which I'm probably going to be using that SD card reader quite a bit actually, because again, as you already know, or if you already know, I do photography as well. There's a reason why my name is ThatGuyJakey. I do a lot of things. I'm not a master of everything, but if I had to choose one career, I could easily choose one of them because I'll be good at all of them. So That's the reason why my name is ThatGuyJakey. A little secret for you guys. Let's see if you watch this video. But that's the MacBook. Holy cow. Let's open this up. Alright. I'm not going to turn it on in this video. I'll probably do a follow-up video kind of talking about my thoughts around the computer, the performance and so forth. Again, it's not going to be, you know, spec heavy or figure heavy. It's just going to be more about me just casually talking and just expressing my thoughts about that. So once we open this up, holy cow! Holy cow! Did you hear that? Why is it turned on? Oh snap. Okay, wait. Okay, wait guys, this is what you're gonna get when you first turn it on, or not even turn it on, when you open it up. Okay, obviously the screen is covered. We're gonna take that off now. Holy chew. Oh my. Okay, look at that. Look at that. It's telling me hello. So the computer actually turned on without me even pressing anything, which is actually kind of wild. You probably heard that in the mic as well, but yeah, man. Right, look. I'm not gonna pass the screen because I do need to set it up and you know, make sure everything's working perfectly fine. But guys, this has been my unboxing for the 14-inch MacBook Pro M1 Pro chip. Really happy about this. I cannot wait to actually dive into this. But let me know your thoughts about this computer. If you have this computer, let me know. If you have any hints and tips, let me know in the comments section down below. And also, don't forget to follow me on Twitter as well, because I'm going to be posting up pictures, my thoughts. We've got tons of games coming out. Horizon tomorrow, which obviously I'm going to do unboxing for that. We got Elden Ring next week. I got my review for the Razer Hammerhead buds. I've got a lot of videos coming out. Stay tuned. Hit that subscribe button if you're interested in my videos and if you do enjoy them. But guys, I hope you have a good day. Have a safe day. Enjoy your day, because I know I'm going to enjoy my day. But I'll see you guys in my next video. I'm terrible when it comes to closing. So yeah, take it easy and peace.